Grabe, tingnan ko sa ganun.
Video ko.
Okay.
That is an effective way of analyzing the particle size, distribution of coarse aggregates within a given sample. So, ngayon siya, pansin, magagamit na instrument para pagpapaan sa mga ansala ang particles. The process requires to find particles from coarser particles when passing the material through a number of strips of different mesh sizes. So, kana siya ang number of strips which is habang ilalo, hindi, kaya pakaliwan niya tapos ang ilalo, nagalagmay ang mga So, it is a particle size determinations by using the mass and volume. Particle size determinations in large samples of aggregate are necessary to ensure that aggregates perform as intended for their specified use. A known mass of material is placed on top of a group of nested sieves and mechanically shaken for a designated period of time. The particles move horizontally or vertically through sieve mesh. So,
Is the air dry, coarse aggregates, fine aggregates na air dry, coarse aggregates sa kumunod ko, and then combined aggregates, and then ang pwede sa quartering kay fine aggregates na free moisture on the particle surface, coarse aggregates, combined aggregates with free moisture on the particle surface, and then ang pwede sa miniature stockpile na fine aggregates na free moisture on the particle surface, and dili siya pwede for coarse aggregates kung madagpo, and dili po siya pwede for combined aggregates. So, ang una kay ang method A, which is mechanical splitter. Device na siya, guys, and then ang need lang ninyo kay ang mechanical splitter mismo. And so, sa mechanical splitter kay ang buhatan ninyo kung magamit ng mechanical splitter, specific gravity is the ratio of the weight of the given volume of aggregate to the weight of an equal volume of water. So, this is katong sa aggregate kung kumansan ganito na po sa itong laboratory, and sa water mo na specific gravity. So, next is absorption. Is a measure of the amount of water that an aggregate can absorb in its walls and structures and determined by the same test procedure. So, absorption kay ma-test kaya natin sa laboratory lang na sir. And aggregate ito soil ito fine and coarse aggregate ito materials. So, next is two types of aggregate. So, fine and coarse aggregate. Fine aggregate are particles in